light rises in the darkness for the upright. A light rises in the darkness for the upright. A light rises in the darkness for the upright. He is generous, merciful, and just. It goes well for the man who deals generously and lends, who conducts his affairs with justice. A light rises in the darkness for the upright. He will never be moved. Forever shall the justice be remembered. He has no fear of evil news. With a firm heart, he trusts in the Lord. A light rises in the darkness for the upright. With a steadfast heart, he will not fear. Open-handed he gives to the poor. His justice stands firm forever. His might shall be exalted in glory. A light rises in